Hi, this is Sarah from The Savvy Professor, and in today's video, we'll talk about how to fix a dryer that won't start. Watch the video until the end to learn how to do this and more. The following are some of the reasons why your dryer won't start. Number 1, a faulty belt. Number 2, a faulty door switch. Or number 3, power supply issues. Here's how to fix these issues. Examine the belt. If the belt is faulty, your dryer may fail to start. To fix this, locate the dryer and examine it to check for any signs of damage, wear out, or loosening. The belt is the rubber that encircles the drum. If you find that the belt is damaged, install a new belt. If this doesn't work, check the door switch. Your dryer won't start if the door switch is faulty. If you try closing your door and there's no clicking sound, you need to replace the door switch. If this doesn't work, check the power supply. First, ensure your dryer's power cord is connected firmly to the power source. Then, replace the power cord if it's damaged, frayed, or burned. Proceed to check the circuit breaker and reset it if it's flipped. And there you have it. Follow these steps to fix a dryer that won't start. Thanks for watching. Till next time.